Delivered new in September 1969 via agent H.R.Owen Ltd to its first London-based owner. Optionally fitted with manual 5-speed transmission, power-assisted steering, chrome road wheels, a heated front screen and 3-eared wheel spinners. Finished in Dubonnet Rosso with Connolly Fawn VM 846 hides, all retained to today. This delightful, very original and extremely well-preserved DB6, uprated to Vantage specifications in 1994, has a superb service and maintenance history file dating back to the early 1980s, when the last but one owner purchased the car in 1972. Maintained seemingly regardless of cost by Aston Martin at Newport Pagnell until the mid-90s, preservation works included a bare metal repaint in 1988 and full engine rebuild in 1992 at 50,000 miles, before being uprated to Vantage specifications in 1994. Subsequently, and recorded in high detail, the car has been serviced, maintained and preserved by the combined efforts of Aston Martin agents and highly regarded Aston Martin specialists in Scotland, all whilst covering a further 17,000 miles. Purchased and supplied by ourselves to the last owner in 2011, this charming and well-maintained example of the iconic DB6 has formed part of a small Aston Martin collection, been driven only in fine weather and garaged in ideal conditions. A well-documented history file demonstrates the total mileage, to date to be just 67,000 miles, or just shy of 1,200 miles per annum. With Concours history and an extremely well-chronicled history file, there is much to appreciate and admire about this unspoiled and superb driving DB6 for its next custodian owner to enjoy, whilst becoming part of the next chapter in preserving this evocative and most practical Aston Martin, built during the golden era of hand-built production at Newport Pagnell. Tellingly, the front windscreen retains the original supplier's, that's H.R.Owen Ltd, irremovable screen sticker, dealer affixed in 1969. The screen itself remains virtually unmarked. Supplied inclusive of a manufacturer scheduled service, full preparation in our workshops, and 12 months MOT and warranty. Paperwork included in the comprehensive history file includes a 1969 new car sales invoice, that's for £4,450, detailed invoices from the 1980s onwards for all service and maintenance works, MOT certificates, original factory supplied and stamped service voucher book, 1969 to 85, and an owner's handbook, tool roll and vehicle jack. This delightful DB6 is currently on show now at our Hertfordshire showrooms and available for demonstration and viewing.